start your engine by warming up. I usually do this before we go up on stage, before we do acting. In fact, all of us has content within us. All of us has content. The only thing, how we are going to bring that content out to benefit other people. Cheer for Kelly! All right, okay.
Thank you so much for sharing. I found your session so engaging. It's one of those stand up and sharing, and then you get to participate. It was really wonderful. Yeah.
Sharing of love, because love is a beauty thing. If you share love, human being, if they know people love them, they feel so happy. If you love other people, you feel so happy. So use this love and share and care. That helps you to control that nervousness. Naturally, when you love somebody, you feel okay, you feel comfortable with the person. So the reason is, the main purpose to overcome fear is to connect with people and share the love. Let me share with you this story I read. I think it's Mariah Carey. She sings on stage. Usually before her performances, she feels very, very nervous. She always very nervous. So what she did before her show, behind the curtain, as people started streaming in, she peeped out, she looked at every audience that came in, and she said, I love you. I love you. I love you more. I love you. She make it so passionate that she feel love for the audience. And when she performed, she got standing ovation because she not just perform, she performed with love. Same thing when you present with love, you feel comfortable. You get to have the mindset of yes. If you say yes to an idea, even though you don't like the idea will just flow. And as you flow, you generate more and more ideas. It's a mindset thing. Okay? You're going to practice that later on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good, let's give him a round of applause. This is what I call go beyond the box. Most of us will tend to look at things within the box. We try to look within here. Okay? In creativity, that's why people say think out of the box. There's an imaginary box here. Think out of it. Then you can find a solution to something. Okay?
I found the exercises I learned from the Speaking Factory tonight very helpful and very engaging.